Online business. Do you want to make some money during your free time away from your regular job? Here is one side hustle that can work perfectly well for you. Online tutoring. Some of us may be having knowledge on certain subjects, but since you don't have an opportunity to impart the knowledge at a regular school, you sit silent with the knowledge. The online market is expanding. Now more than ever, people are accessing lessons online from the comfort of their phones from anywhere around the world. If you have a skill or knowledge that people are interested in, you can teach people on a one-on-one arrangement and get paid for it. Once you perfect the art of online teaching, you can develop online courses of your knowledgeable area which learners can easily access at their own free time at a fee. Udemy.com and teachable.com are some of the main sites where you can create and host your online courses and create a profitable business. You may also package your course into a downloadable electronic book and sell it on the internet. Electronic books, commonly known as ebooks, are becoming popular as they can be accessed from anywhere, anytime. Online tutoring is one of the most popular side hustles business ideas right now in Kenya. If you think you got what it takes, go ahead right away. That's some good information. Now, like this video and share. Thanks.